guys, welcome back to Rosso Model channel. How are you today? Do you feel fine? That's very good. Pista. The interior look fantastic. Everything ready, and I decided to make with you video about the wheel system because I hear a lot of people that try and do it in the right way. I don't know if my way is the right way, but see and learn and ask a question. I'm all the time here to help you, you know it. Rosso Model channel. Want to say a big thank you for all the people that joined to the club and waiting for the big project with Asi. It's amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will try to do my best for you in the Pista project on the club. As you know me, I all the time enjoy the way, and I think it's amazing, guys. Today I will show you wonderful things, and I hope that you will understand what I'm doing here, and if not, you all the time can ask a question. Let's start. Enjoy music, relaxing, a very tactical way to make it, and that's it. Let's connect the wheel today. Yes, you love it, I love it also. Let's start and enjoy.
Look at us now, could have gone so far.
Okay guys, hello. How are you today? So what we will do today, as you see the part I'm already cut, and some of the part I paint, but some of the part I will do together with you, and I will show you a very good technique to continue and build this amazing car. First of all, if you see, this is the part that we will start. This is the part of the brakes. It's supposed to sit over there like that, but before it I paint it in black. As you can see over there here, I paint it in black, and now what I will do is just bending the other area, because here it's silver. Okay, if I bend it, it will show the bolt. So what I'm doing, take it and step by step push one and another one and another one. Okay, and you will see how much amazing it will come. Take your time, delicate work. I hope that you can see my finger and understand what I'm doing. I just bend it little bit, and after that I take it here from here and close on the other side. Okay, this is the first thing. After you cut it from the photo edge part, this is the first thing that you need to do. Okay, everybody see? Look. So I already made this and this. We will do one of the wheel, and all the wheel is the same, so no need, it's not necessary to show you how I do all the four. We will do one and continue, because you know, we don't want to make a long video for the people that don't have time, just want to see and continue on. Okay guys, do you ready? What I do here is put a little bit super glue. I take a toothpick, and the first thing that I do is take this part and put little bit glue from all the places like that, and put one of the disc brakes. Okay, and if you ask what kind of color is it, it's a silver, yes, but I paint it in a very unique paint by Zero Paint, carbon ceramic gray, and it's give a lot to the disc brakes, make it more real. You know, in Ferrari they have a carbon ceramic look, so this is the look for the my disc brakes. Also what I do now is flip it and just put little bit over there like that. Try to make it good and right. Take your time and put the other one. Okay, until now everybody understand? Okay, very good. Like that and like that. Okay, now what we need to do is put this part. So what I do, I will leave it here and just use a toothpick and put little bit glue all direction. And the most important way is to bring it to the center of the brakes. Okay, take your time, do it right, and you will succeed. Until now, everybody understand? Now the last thing that you need to do before we continue is just verify that everything go inside perfectly. Okay? Do you see? Everything go inside perfectly. Okay. Now let's move forward to the next step. I will take this part. This is the holder for the wheel. I will put little bit glue in the hole over there. This is for the caliper brakes, okay? I will put little bit glue over there and I will bring the caliper and put it in the place. Everybody see? Very good. Awesome model, it's so easy, yes. And then we will prepare. We will try to find a way for the disc brakes, okay? Find a way for the disc brakes to the center of it. And then just push the wheel inside, okay? Push the wheel, try to find a way inside that you will be happy with the result. And look, we have it, guys. Everybody see? Easy? The disc brake sit perfectly and it spin with the wheel and it's awesome, guys. This is why I love in Alpha model. The disc brake spin with the wheel and the caliper brake stay like the real car, and it's fantastic. Okay, so now after we have it, everything, all we need to do is just use the bolt, put on the end of the bolt a little bit glue. Everybody see? And then push it inside. Okay? And then leave it. Okay, leave the bolt inside. Don't worry, the wheel will be spin and also the bolt. Okay? Until now, everybody understand what I'm doing? We have a disc brakes, guys. Yes? With everything, all you need to do is come to the direction that you want and put it in place. Easy? Everybody see? Very good. Now let me prepare everything here like I do with you, and we will glue it together over there and I will show you what I'm doing. Okay, guys? Let's continue. Yes, guys, so yes, I finished to build all the 4 disc brakes. As you can see, I put each one in the place, and now it's good time to glue it. Okay, if you can see over there, I just remove little bit the paint over there that I have a better grip, and all I need to do is just make a test fit to see if everything okay with the right measure. And now what I will do is put glue over there inside, a little bit glue, and hold it. Okay, everybody see? Hold it for a couple seconds and that's it. We have one wheel. Just verify this is in the center and everything look good. Awesome. Don't spin it now, just move to the second one. You can use glue, nobody see it, just verify that the other place in the place, the other wheel in the place. Try to play with it until you be satisfied. Yes, okay. Awesome. I wait for the glue. Will cure. Yes. Everybody see? Now flip it, let it cure. Let's do the other two one over there. Yes, like a pro, guys. And also one over there. Remember, easy. And if you think it was easy, no, I need to make a lot of test fit for this wheel, so it was good. I put little bit glue over there and come with the wheel, verify the caliper going back like the drawing, and take it and find the place, guys. Okay, make the right gap. Okay, remember the right gap over there, it's very important. Also, let's take the other one in the same way, glue a little bit. Yes, everybody see, we have the wheel, guys. All the time when you put the glue, come to the wheel and see if everything look okay. You have the right gap over there between the fender and everything look okay and same. It's very important. Everybody see? Awesome. Now don't touch it, let it cure for a couple of minutes, and we come back and we will close this area together, and we will also put the diffuser today, so don't worry, wait for us. Yes, guys? Okay, yes, so it's cure now, it's ready for the diffuser part. What I will do is verify that everything look okay. I will take 4 pieces of bolts that I have here and start put one by one, guys. Okay, what I suggest you is, first of all, just find a place for each bolt. Don't tighten it too much. I will take another screwdriver. This one is better. Yes, okay, I find one place, let's find the other one. Awesome. Yes, now I have 2 more here. Some people use a magnet to fix the model to some place. It's up to you, you can make it. If you want to know how, let me know, I will show you. I will not use it because the customer won't put it on some area on the office, so I tell him it will be each place is he want. Okay, guys, super easy. Alpha model, thank you. I must say Alpha model very improved in the time they built in the beginning. The first kit of Alpha model kit, it was not like that, and I think it's awesome to see each time how company improve and how I am improved and you also, and it's fantastic, guys. Yes, okay, so we have the diffuser over there, we have the wheel, look fantastic. You can make all the time test fit on a solid ground and verify if it's stay in the right position. All the wheels, and they look fantastic. Also they spin and it's fantastic. Yes, I love it so much. Okay, the last part for today, guys. I know it's a little bit long. The diffuser. I just painted in black and also a little bit carbon fiber, and the exhaust will be over there. Easy, very easy, guys. Look, 1, 2, super. Okay, and one thing that it's good for you guys about the exhaust, I just paint inside in black and it's create a shadow, and you can put it over there like a pro and push it. 1, 2. We have exhaust pipe, guys. We don't need glue for the diffuser because the exhaust pipe hold it, so it's super nice and easy. Wow, look the Pista. Wonderful car. Step by step we build amazing cars together. Guys, this is all the meaning. I think it's awesome part, and for the people that all the time struggling with the wheel system, I think it's my technique, it's better. On the next part, yes, we will do the clear parts, because all the time they have an issue with clear parts for the people, and I want to give them a try and show you what I'm doing for the clear parts. But look, awesome, huh? Thank you very much, guys. Rosa Model channel. See you next time with next part. I think it will be awesome. See you next Friday. Bye bye. Rosa Model channel.
Yeah, look at us now. This is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. We're like strangers again.